When the James Webb telescope first looked deep into the early universe, it found something nobody expected. Tiny, intensely red dots scattered across the cosmos. For years they were a complete mystery. Now, astronomers think they may be among the strangest objects ever found. Black hole stars. Webb spotted them in 2022, and astronomers nicknamed them little red dots. They appeared in the first billion years after the Big Bang, glowing with a deep red light. At first, scientists assumed they were ordinary galaxies, packed with stars. But the numbers made no sense. If these dots were galaxies full of stars, they would have to be impossibly dense and massive, far too grown up for such a young universe. Something else had to be producing all that light. The breakthrough came from splitting their light into a spectrum. In 2026, a team led by researchers at the University of Texas captured the deepest spectrum yet of one of these dots, and the fingerprints in that light pointed not to starlight, but to a feeding black hole. Here is the leading idea. Each little red dot is a young black hole buried inside a thick cocoon of hot, dense gas. As the black hole devours the gas, the whole cocoon blazes with light, so much that the object glows almost like a single gigantic star, hence the name black hole star. And this could solve one of the deepest puzzles in astronomy. We have long struggled to explain how supermassive black holes grew so enormous so quickly after the Big Bang. If they began as these gas-shrouded black hole stars, feeding voraciously, they would have had a powerful head start. It is not settled science. Some researchers think other processes could mimic the same signals, and the debate is very much alive. That is exactly how science works. A striking idea tested hard against the evidence, one spectrum at a time. Whatever they turn out to be, the little red dots are a reminder that the early universe was far stranger than we imagined, and the James Webb telescope is only getting started. Subscribe for more journeys through real science.